It's easy to add a blog to your site. Just click the blog option on the left sidebar, then click Add Blog. A new page is created on your site called Blog, where your blog posts will appear. This page has two blog-specific elements, All Posts and Recent Posts. All Posts shows a full-size list of your blog posts, complete with a thumbnail image, excerpt, and a link to continue reading. Recent Posts shows your blog posts in a smaller list and is great to include in sidebars. You can customize either of these elements by selecting Edit from the Element menu to open the Edit panel, where you can select options or choose a different design layout. As these are elements, you can drag and drop them around your site, or add them to a different page if you'd like. It's up to you. Click on Blog Settings to set up your blog. Here you can add an image and information describing your blog that will show up in your blog's RSS feed. After your blog is published, you can come here again to get your RSS feed URL. Click Edit Design to choose a layout for your blog posts. You'll see a post layout with sample content. Customize this page to your liking, as this page is a template that will be used for all of your blog posts. Now that your blog's all set up, it's time to start adding posts. Click New Post to open the post editor. Just click to edit the content. Use the arrows to reorder elements. Click the plus to add more elements. From the left sidebar, you can save or preview your post. Click Post Settings to add a thumbnail image, title, description, tags, or change the URL for the post. Click Publish to make your post live. Please note that you do not need to republish your website in order to publish your posts. Your post will appear in the Manage Posts area, where you can view or change any of your current posts. And that's everything you need to get started blogging today.